Hello and welcome to a quick little video tutorial on how to log into a Chromebook. This is the home screen. Now, do not browse as a guest. You want to make sure that you are browsing as a person. So if you're on this list, you can go here, or you can add a person. And then you'll just hit next. And then I'm just going to go in here, and I'm going to type mine. Now, yours is going to be different. If mine, because my name is Henry Verbeek, it would be Henry V and then maybe 11. There would be two numbers, the last two digits of my student number, at sd48.org, and that's crucial. You can't just do your username like you do on a regular laptop or in a desktop in a computer lab. You must have the at sd48.org. And you hit next. And then you got to type in your password, which is the same password as you would use to log in here at school. And then it asks you a second time. Then start using Google Chrome with all your read and write extensions. Thanks for watching.